12th day of Christmas, my acquaintance gave to me 12 dirty shoes, 11 doodle drawings, 10 crappy pencils, 9 gaming cases, 8 never gonna be read books, 7 stabbing staples, 6 random pennies, 5 sticks of deodorant. Thank you so much. 4 crappy sheets of paper, 3 invisible girlfriends, 2 Santa hats, and 1 golden extremely fake chain. The moment when you realize you have to clean all this crap up. Hey, boys, girls, men, women, dogs and cats, bunnies and gerbils, village dudes and villagettes. It's the Villager here for another Villagers vlog on this mighty fine Tuesday in December on the 9th. It's the 9th, yeah, on the 9th of December on a Tuesday. And the TV was on in the background the entire time. And I'm sick. It's not funny. It's really not. Like, I'm seriously sick, you guys, and it sucks. Because being sick sucks. It's because my bus driver decided to leave us out in the cold for like an hour because she overslept or some biz, and it got on my last nerve. I had to stand up there in the cold. This was like, this is like Alaska cold. Like, not even kidding. Like, it was Titanic water cold. It wasn't fun. And there goes my sniffles. But yeah. I don't like my bus driver. I've explained this a lot in past vlogs. I just don't like my bus driver. I mean, I like her as a person, but she's always late all the time, especially on the days where it's worse for her to be late, and it sucks. And you gotta get up so early and complain and complain and complain some more, and complain and complain and complain some more. Also having some money issues because I can't keep a dime in my pocket for more than 3 seconds. I guess you could say, since I'm getting sick and I'm having money issues, that I got sick because I was letting it rain. No. No? Okay. But yeah, I am having some money issues. Cause it's food. It's food all the time. I can't resist eating food. When I see food, I just have to get, like when it's pizza or chicken or pizza, or mostly chicken though, I just have to get it because it's just so good. And I really like chicken. A lot. A whole lot. And there goes my sniffles again. I'm just gonna yeah, that worked. Yeah, my room's clean. Hey, Gyarados. What's up, bruh? What you doing?
What you doing, nigga? Get back in them fields. Your name is Toby.
If you got that reference, I commend you. Well, I guess that wraps it up as far as today's Villagers vlog. And might want to clean up the village a little bit. A lot of bit. Like, a lot of bit. If I counted how many times I said like in a video, like for real, them 6 random pennies would be a whole lot more than 6. I have a life. Don't worry.
Lying like the biggest son of...
And since we're singing, peace in the Middle East. And all
Oh, you
that jazz.